Welcome to Lovely Today K-Mart!
Nan, babo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Mark Kananan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
As well as helping businesses promote their products to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, if you notice guys, we are in a supermarket setup and today we are featuring Lovely Today K-Mart. So this is located along MacArthur Highway of Del Rosario, city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This is one of its kind of store. They have a wide variety of products, from denims to kitchen utensils,
From Korean products, Korean food,
Yes.
and also pwede kayo mag-dine-in dito.
Actually, so what we're gonna do today is we're gonna give you a little bit of a tour kung ano yung mga products nila dito.
So tara,
Let's
let's go!
Alright, so more of the Korean products. Of course, may mga pepero, we have some cookies, we also have some noodles, they also have some juices, coffee, some spices, condiments, almost everything that you need for a Korean dish. Even yung mga hard to get ingredients are actually available here. And then isa sa mga sections dito, of course, hindi mawawala yung mga meat products natin. So these are freshly cut Korean meat on a daily basis. So they have pork, meat, so yung mga unflavored as well as marinated, available din dito. Alright, so another products that they really take pride here are the side dishes. So meron tayong kimchi of different variants. Of course, may cabbage and lettuce, meron ding radish. They also have this parang mga to-go triangle kimbap. Ayan. They also have some marbled potatoes. Of course, hindi mawawala yung kimchi. They also have cheese. And then lastly, sa mga to-go's nila, these are Korean lunch box. Ayan, these are very popular in Korea. Of course, they are serving it here. 139 pesos for the lunch box. Grabe. Ito na rin babaunin mo lang sa office, di ba? Apart from the parang mga Korean grocery items natin, so meron din silang section for dine-in. However, very limited lamang po yung mga in-encourage nilang mag-dine-in. So most of the time, yung mga food that are ordered here are for delivery or for pickups or for takeout. But nonetheless, if you want to eat the food while it's hot, so you can eat it on these tables. Okay, so for their menu, let me give you a quick mention. So meron silang pizza. They do also have chicken, which is the spicy and Korean sauce chicken. They also have Korean dog. Yeah, actually that's surprising, no? For a Korean supermarket, available din pala yung mga kumaga pagkain dito. Anyway, let's go to our table. Alright guys, so once again, thank you so much for being with us in this video. And this is our table. We would like to thank Lovely Today Korean Food Mart. Mark, what do we have on our table?
So on our table, meron tayo dito combination Korean pizza. So meron din tayong mga chickens dito. Meron tayong spicy chicken and yung Korean sauce chicken. At the same time, meron tayong kimbap.
Of course.
Meron tayong mga drinks. Meron din tayong mga corn dog and mga desserts.
Actually, so I think I want to start with
These are vitamins.
vitamin C. These are actually very popular sa Korea, of course. Who doesn't know BTS, di ba? So these are available here, guys. So sa mga BTS fanatics, let's taste it, bro. So it's like an energy drink.
Yes.
So I want to go first with the kimbap.
Ako naman excited ako doon sa pizza nila. Kasi kanina nakita ko how do they made it.
These dishes are actually available as you order.
Yes.
So you order them, they cook it. You can eat it here or you can have it take home.
Take home, yeah.
Wow. So I'm gonna taste this one. Ito yung kanilang spicy chicken.
Ako naman, titikman ko yung kanilang Korean sauce
Take a
chicken.
look at that. This is really a huge Baga leg part ng chicken na. Oh, wow. Amazing, amazing. Super crispy in the outside, yung pinakabalat niya. And then in the inside, it's almost pinkish white.
Tsaka ang lambot.
Yeah.
Ang lambot niya.
Oh wow. This is a really authentic Korean chicken na available sa supermarket. Ang sarap.
Yeah.
Actually, very surprising na for a Korean mart, meron siyang dedicated kitchen for you to cook yung mga favorite Korean dishes natin.
So next to taste naman natin, akan titignan ko yung kanilang corn dog.
Oof. So magpapalit kami ni Mark, ako naman dun sa pizza niya. For this pizza, it's actually overload, no? So this is a 13 inches pizza.
Meron siyang cheese, meron siyang pepperoni,
mushroom,
olives,
bell pepper, olives, yeah.
Yes.
Bacon, I also see
Yes,
some bacon.
meron din.
Amazing. This is an overload pizza. Oh wow. Oh wow. Very surprising. So the taste, no, it's a mix of a lot of tastes. Merong sweet, merong salty, meron ding sour because of the cheese.
Yeah.
Surprisingly, you have a lot of flavors in just one bite.
At the same time, yung mga linalagay nilang mga vegetables and ingredients are fresh. Yan.
Oh man, no joke. This pizza is a must try. Alright, so once again, thank you so much, lovely today, Korean K-Mart, no, for inviting us.
So ito yung pinakabagong Korean Mart along San Fernando, located dito sa may Del Rosario. Ang pinaka-landmark niya is yung Uni-Oil gas station.
Alright, so there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Thank you so much for watching our vlog. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends. Kung kayo yung tatanungin, ano yung mga Korean groceries na do you usually buy, diba?
So that's it. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Peace out, guys. Bye.